Hey guys, Jeff at Tartar Sauce. I'm going to go over cleaning some floor mats today with our Tartar Sauce Upholstery Cleaner. So all you'll need is a bottle of the tartar sauce, a brush, and a microfiber, and let's get to work. So here we have our floor mat. It's a black mat, so it's going to be kind of hard to see if what we're cleaning is getting cleaned or not, but we'll use our microfiber and that'll tell us everything that we'll need to know. So what you want to do first is vacuum it. So once it's all vacuumed, you got all the dirt out of it and everything. And then I'm just going to spray it, the whole mat down. I'll actually just do half the mat pretty generously. And then we'll agitate it with the brush and then finally pick everything up with the microfiber. So just spray away. And we did half the mat so we can do a comparison. And then you just want to agitate the carpet. I'm going in circles. You can go front to back, you can go side to side. Nobody's going to be grading you on this. Once that's done, this will be the test to see how dirty this mat is. Nice clean microfiber. And we're just going to pretty much just wipe this all up. You can also use a shop vac to vacuum it up if you want to. And that's how dirty this mat was. It's all nice and clean. It's still a little wet to the touch, but for the most part, it should dry in a few minutes. And that's it. You've got nice clean mats.